everybody, and you're very welcome along to our next episode of our Keep It Simple series, all about property. Now today, I just want to touch briefly on the difference between the two commercial leases, the IRI lease and the FRI lease. So the IRI is the internal repairing and insuring, and the FRI is the full repairing and insuring, and they basically differ in the level of the responsibility placed on the tenant. So the IRI lease has, I suppose it's less demanding. If you think of it, it's the interior of the space you're renting. So you're responsible then for the repairs, the maintenance and the insurance, and the landlord will normally take care of any external issues or shared areas that sometimes there might be a fee charged to a tenant to cover these costs. So then in contrast, the FRI lease, as I said, stands for the full repairing and insuring lease. This is where the tenant is responsible for any of the external issues associated and structural issues associated with the unit you're renting. So under the FRI lease, the landlord has no repairing or insuring liability. Just remember that that's really, really important, but it places a much broader responsibility on the tenant. And also, this is important as well, that the tenant has to insure the property, covering both the building and any associated risks. So to summarize then, the key difference, the IRI limits the tenant's responsibility to internal repairs, just think of inside your unit, whereas the FRI responsibility lies outside, has got to take on the full external repairs plus the insurance of the property. But I would say to you to please remember to get professional advice before you sign any commercial lease. Thanks for listening.